Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ang gagawin ko ngayon ay OOP. Mababa to guys. Oops. About GUI and swing to. GUI and swing, OOP, Object Oriented Programming in sa Java. GUI and swing. So browse ko lang saglit. Alright.
One eternity later.
Wake up.
So yun guys, nakatulog po ako. Yan po, wag niyong gagawin. Gabi na oh. Nag-alarm na yung sleep time ko, kakagising ko lang. Alas 9. Ay. Subscribe.